Welcome back to the Diabetic Diet Show. Let's talk about the raspberry vinaigrette. I bought raspberry syrup. It's been in the refrigerator. Probably should have took it out, let it warm up a little bit. It would probably pour a little easier. Let's just see how it pours. Okay, looking pretty good. I'm going to put in about that much in the bottom. And taste it. Tastes good. Okay. If you want all the measurements and exact recipes, just go to our website, which is jamestdds.blogspot.com. So if you go to the blogspot.com, you should find us. This is probably a good time to tell you. Be a good thing if you want to see more of these videos, click on the subscribe button. Also click on the bell. When we drop a new video, you'll get notified. Okay? And if you subscribe, I'll get you the ingredients and the measurements. Okay? So here we go. Now, red wine vinegar. We're going to put in some red wine vinegar next. And to make it easy, I'm going to pop the top off this. I put in as much vinegar as I had strawberry. I matched that exact. Next, I'm going to take the lid for this. I'm going to turn it upside down. And I'm going to put a little bit of mustard, powdered mustard in here. So I'm just going to sprinkle some of this in here. And I'm sprinkling it in the lid. It's not coming out very fast, so it might look like I'm putting a lot in. I'm really not. Okay. That works fairly well. Now, I need some white vinegar. So I'm just going to put a little bit of white vinegar. This is distilled white vinegar. It kind of goes a long way, so don't put a lot of that in. Now, oil. Today for oil, I'm using lemon olive oil. You want twice as much oil as you do vinegar. And you can see the difference in the color between each thing. Okay, that's the whole bottle. It's gone. Very good. Now I take this lid, put it on here. I make a mess when I cook. That's half the fun. Put my finger on top like this and then shake. Okay, it's all mixed up. Delicious. Absolutely wonderful. Okay, now we're all set. I'm going to clean everything. Thanks for joining us. Come back and see us again soon.